Hello! Today we're gonna try and make a keychain, keyring, whatever you want to call it, out of Polymerclay. We're gonna just see how this goes. I do have a little sketch of what I want to make. Super cute. And when he's done, I'm gonna call him Axel. Let's make it. So I have this or this. I'm probably gonna use this a lot just as the base because there's a lot more of it in this little set. Bare Polymerclay. Bang. Probably only need like this much. I'm just gonna soften it up, roll it into a ball. Because if we're looking at the sketch, it's kind of like round. So we're just going to make that shape nice. Get a little bit more. Now, because he's got two ears, half it, relatively the same size, and I'm going to make them very circular. Now, I do want them to be like kind of flat. So I'm going to squish it, squish this one. So what we have now is two ears. Just stick them on. Head. I want these two parts to merge, and I'm just going to drag it and then smooth it out. Try and make a little incove. Now that one ear is done, I'm going to do the other one. So now we have our head. Focus on this area. I have white clay and I have black clay. Necessary. The other colours really show up, so we're going to try and keep this as clean as possible because I just want it to be white. And I'm just going to cut out a shape. Cool. Make these little tooth attachment moments. Oh. Little heads up. This is really hard to do with gloves on. These little balls. Oh. I'm going to cut an eye hole. I think it should just be right in the centre. Just a little circle. We are going to cut out a little shape on the face. Oh. Cool. We have our eye hole. Looking at it now, it is way too big. So I'm just going to remake it again, just smaller. The gloves back on. See how this goes. A plus if you've got very shaky hands. Oh no. Okay. We are going to do the other eye now. Let's equal the cross. So that should be where the eye is. Oh, come with me. I'm going to get a little bit of Polymerclay and we're just going to roll it in a circle. And squish that into place. Get the black back out. We're going to roll the thinnest little line. Perfect. We got this one tiny little black dot. And it has to go perfectly in the centre. Oh, okay. I've decided I hate this eye. Why not? We're gonna add a little triangle for hair. It's gonna go here. It's like working with a liquid. Come on. Oh. It's like the more you work with it, the more like gloopy it gets. Oh my god. I'm going to do this in blue and then paint it black. It's just more solid, you know? Like I can cut through it and oh look at that, it comes off. Oh, this is way quicker. Lesson learned, do not use the black. Added hair to the front and a little bit of hair to the back. I got the red out. Jesus! And then I'm just going to flatten it out. A rolling pin would be really good right now. Absolutely go around it and cut it out at once. It doesn't seem to like any other way. We're going back to this because this is way easier to use. It's just better. Let's try that again. Ah, yes. Little hat. He's officially wearing a hat. We're gonna add the horns. Ugh. Oh. Give them a little bit of a shape. Okay. Let's bake it.
One eternity later.
I have to be very quiet now, so it's nightcraft time. I'm gonna paint him now. Oh my gosh. Yes. For the horns and earrings, I'm gonna be using this, which is actually for painting Warhammer, but it's so cold. It is officially day 2 and don't mind the wet hair. He is officially painted. And luckily, this came. This obscurely packaged thing. Jesus! Ah! UV resin! We are going to coat Miggins because I like that shiny look. I'm going to put the gloves on. Safety first. Nice and neat. We also have a sacrificial brush. I think I'll do it in sections. Go! Oh my god. What a game changer. Holy sh**. Oh my god, this looks so cool now. Pliers.
He's my favourite thing Layla's ever made.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he feels proper like hard as well. And he's done, and I love him. See you in the next one.